Hey everybody, how's it going? So today we got a quick unboxing slash unbagging to do from Amazon. It's an item that I've been searching for since 2016 that I bought from Crutchfield. 3 of them, and I got 1 delivered and the other 2 were canceled because Crutchfield no longer carried them. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is up everybody, how's it going? Alright, welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smoosh the bell notification icon for future updates. Alright, so this has got one of those rippity rip tabs. A couple small little boxes in here. That is it. Bag is empty. So these are OBD2 splitters. I ordered 3 of these from Crutchfield Audio in 2016, and the problem is that 1 got delivered, the other 2 got canceled. I was told that they were no longer ever carrying them again, which was kind of frustrating. And these are the rainbow colors, as you can see right here, all the colors. It looks like it's very well made. I like that it's wrapped in some nice wrapping. So this is just an OBD2 splitter. This one plugs into your actual OBD2 port. This is the female, and then these are the 2 males. I'm not really sure why. On the listing they say it has 2 females. These are not females. These are the males that plug in. So this plugs into your OBD2 port, and then it gives you 2 extra diagnostic ports. I use these a lot, especially in my 4Runner. So this one's going to be for the Ford. This one's going to be for the new 4Runner. They're exactly the same. They were $10-something a piece, which is not bad because the one I bought from Crutchfield was like 25 bucks. They're exactly the same. Got 2 of them. I'm going to have to cut these zip ties a little more flush because they are barking at my fingers. Kind of a pet peeve when they're not flush. That's better. They are definitely nicely made. They're very simple. Just gives you 2 diagnostic ports instead of 1. They also come in handy. They actually extend it a little bit further. In the 4Runner, the plug is actually so the gas pedals here, and then you have the side paneling. It's actually under on the back side of this side paneling, so you actually have to reach around the side panel to plug it in. That's why I like these. They also have them in like a solid wire with no wrap. It's just a solid flat covered wire, and that's like 12 inches. These are, I think, are like 5 or 6. So this is 12 inches also. So it's exactly the same, just instead of having this nice wrap, it's just a flat set of wires with a cover on them, similar to the flat style Ethernet cables, similar to that. But just quick video, guys. I picked up 2 of these. One for the Excursion because I bought 3 originally, and I only got 1. 1 was for the Excursion, 1 was for the SR5 4Runner, and the 3rd one was when I bought another vehicle. It just happens that the other vehicle that was bought is another 4Runner. And I am going to end up getting the flat style one for the service truck. to have it for the Ford F550. But that's all I got for you guys today. Just a pretty quick video. Doesn't want to fit right. It doesn't want to go back to being flat. Yeah, just leave it out. I end up throwing it in the truck just real quick anyways. But you know, that's all I got for you guys. It's a simple item. You know, there's not really much information on the outside. 1 foot 30 centimeter adapter. It's made by BBFLY. I do appreciate you guys stopping by. If you have any other questions, you guys might have seen this every time I've done diagnostic scan tool videos in my SR5. I plug the sensor into this guy right here, the Bluetooth module for the scan tools into that. But that's all I got for you guys. I'm not going to hold you guys here forever. That doesn't need to be a long video. I do appreciate you guys stopping by, checking out the video. If you guys have any questions about these, let me know down below. I will try to remember to put the link down below for you guys for the exact one I picked up. They're very nicely made. They're actually a lot nicer made than the one I bought from Crutchfield. So do appreciate you guys stopping by and checking out the video. Please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And I do have an Ulsa Tools link down below that will get you 10% off your order, ulsatools.com. As well as it kicks me back 10% off my next order, so when you use it, it does help me out. If you need it, use it. If you don't, it's no big deal. I do appreciate you guys' time. Hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day. And I'll see you guys on the next episode. Peace!